In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record on GoToMeeting. Whether you're capturing an important presentation or a collaborative brainstorming session, recording a GoToMeeting can be incredibly useful. It allows you to revisit discussions, share them with colleagues who couldn't attend, or simply keep a record for future reference. Let's dive into it. First, when you're inside a GoToMeeting session, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. You'll want to direct your attention to the lower left corner of your screen where you'll find the recording option. It's crucial to ensure that you're ready to capture everything before you start, so make sure that everything is set up correctly beforehand. Once you're ready, click on the recording button to begin capturing your meeting. As soon as you do this, you should see an indicator. This is your assurance that the session is indeed being recorded. This visual cue is crucial because it provides peace of mind that nothing is being missed. If the indicator isn't visible, double check to ensure the recording process has started correctly. Now, there are moments during a meeting when you might not want to record, such as during a break or when discussing sensitive internal matters. In these cases, you can easily pause the recording. To do this, simply click the recording button again. This functionality allows you to manage what's being captured effectively, ensuring the final recording only contains relevant information. When you're ready to continue documenting the session, just hit the recording button once more to resume. This flexibility is beneficial during longer meetings where breaks are inevitable. It helps maintain an organized and concise recording, making it easier for anyone reviewing it later to follow along without unnecessary interruptions. As your meeting comes to a close, you don't need to worry about fiddling around with saving the file manually. GoToMeeting takes care of this for you by automatically saving the recording once the meeting ends. This feature guarantees that your recording is preserved without needing any immediate action from your side. It's a seamless way to wrap up your session knowing that everything has been stored safely. To access your recording, simply navigate to your computer's default GoToMeeting recordings folder. This is typically a dedicated folder where all your GoToMeeting sessions are saved. From here, you can review the recording, share it with others, or even archive it for future use. It's this ease of accessibility that makes reviewing and distributing your meeting insights straightforward and efficient. And there you have it. Recording a GoToMeeting is a straightforward process that enables you to capture and preserve the valuable moments of any meeting. With these steps, you can ensure that you never miss out on important discussions or decisions. Thank you for watching, and happy recording.